This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Crypto Bubble's easy guide. Start by identifying bubble signals like rapid price spikes, heavy social media buzz, and unusual trading volume. Decide if you aim to trade the mania or avoid it entirely. Use stop limits, position sizing, and a written plan to protect capital. Keep emotions out of decisions and review trades after the bubble cools to learn what worked and what failed. Bubble spotting starts with patterns and context, not hype. Notice parabolic price moves and sudden spikes in mentions or influencer posts, then confirm with volume surges to validate interest. Check order book depth to see if moves are sustainable or thin. Keep a list of red flags like guaranteed returns or FOMO language. Use alerts and small test trades to validate signals before committing larger funds to a suspected bubble. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life, plays price alerts, and keeps you hands-free while you monitor markets. Great for multitasking traders. Check the description for the link and other deals, and snag one if it fits your setup. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Managing risk is the difference between learning and losing. Always set stop orders and define exit points before entering a bubble trade, and limit each position to a safe portfolio percentage. Avoid leverage unless you understand margin calls and amplified losses. Consider taking partial profits at predetermined levels and keep a cash reserve to rebuy if quality opportunities arise. Review outcomes and adjust rules to keep risk consistent with your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.